Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not already a subscriber to this channel, please press the bell icon right now. So all of you are waiting for your results. I hope बहुत ज़्यादा फेवर में आए रिजल्ट आपके नीट पीजी का. But what to do till that time? See, you must have all seen the recalls. Most of you have, some of you don't have. It's alright. What do you need to do now? If we are very far behind, like if we are getting under 100 corrects, we should definitely start preparing for NEET PG 25. We've already begun our batches. I'm already sharing the custom modules in the WhatsApp group. Please join the WhatsApp group and check for the custom modules. Those are shared daily. Those are based on PYQs. And you should build a habit of solving daily MCQs, and that will really help you, and it has helped a lot of aspirants last year. Next, if you're in the zone of 100 to 150 or 140, what you should do? See, 10-15 questions ka plus minus can be there because the options are not as accurate and you do not remember as accurately as you have marked in the exam. Okay, so abhi kya kare? Abhi we know that we will not be able to get our dream branch in the first or second rounds at least, right? It's really difficult to get in the first or second rounds. And from previous experience, if you're a first timer, then I will tell you, but if you are a second or third time aspirant for the NEET PG exam, you would know result aane ke baad bhi there is a long time it takes the NB to begin with the counseling and then finally do a couple of rounds. So we can expect anywhere between 4 to 6 months till the time the second round would be over from now. I hope the time is really shorter than what I'm saying right now, but this is what has happened over the years and I've noticed it over the years. So if if 4 or 6 months pass by like that, NEET PG would again be 3 to 4 months away, right? So we need to get in the rhythm of solving MCQs. There are 100 days to INI CET November. The INI is scheduled for 10th of November. So you should get into habit of solving MCQs, give grand tests, because you never know. Before the second round ends, there will be INI CET, and if you attempt it, 7 days के बाद result आ जाएगा. If it is in your favor, you can maybe go for a AIMS college also, right? So I don't want you to waste इतना precious time. You never know कि यहाँ से आपकी preparation कहाँ जा सकती है 3 months में, and I will definitely help you. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, if you want to improve your score, connect to me. Connect with me on WhatsApp. I will definitely share some strategies with you. Okay? If you are very sure about getting 165, 175 corrects, and if you're sure you will get your dream branch, you should, I think, still go for INI. Just give it one shot. And if you're satisfied and you don't want to read any further, I would ask you to, please chill, go out with your friends, make sure they have also, qualified or are not from the medical background, and just enjoy life to your fullest. But if you're in the mid zone, please do not leave out this opportunity, because once 4-5 months pass by, once the counseling ends or tends to end, you will realize that the next NEET is just 3 months away now. It gets delayed in the end, that's a different matter. It got delayed twice or thrice this year also for 2024, but we never know. We do not know prior. So in the last 3 months, you will again pick up BTR or some revision notes, and that won't suffice. We already got to know that from the exam. So I want you to, push the pedal, start preparing. I will come out with a detailed video on how to prepare for INI CET November 2024. But till that time, if you have any doubts, please share it with me. Fill out the Google form and stay tuned to the channel. All the very best for your results. I hope you get your dream rank, your dream college. All the best.